Hi, welcome back to the Brooklyn Brothers Cooking Channel. Or if you haven't been here before, welcome. Today, Chef Dom and I are going to show you how to make spaghetti and meatballs. Classic Italian-American dish. Very easy to make, simple ingredients, quick, people are going to love it. But before we do that, every once in a while, we get different companies send us products to try out and, give our opinion about it. And we actually made this spaghetti recipe using this pot, and we were very, very pleased with it. We're gonna have the link to purchase this pot on the bottom of our description. It's very affordable. It's like 69 bucks for an 8-quart pot.
High quality,
yes.
Very high quality
Very
pot. It's a nice
stuff.
pot for the price.
Yeah.
I mean, it's definitely worth it.
Anyway, let's get cooking. We'll show you how to make the spaghetti and meatball. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and start on our tomato sauce. Very simple ingredients, all fresh. Not too much ingredients needed for this sauce to have an excellent, excellent flavor. We have about 3 cups of diced onions. We have 8 cloves of minced garlic and about 16 basil leaves, and of course salt and pepper and some Parmesan. And we're going to go ahead, today we're using Cento. We like Cento. These are the San Marzano tomatoes. We're going to go ahead and blend those up.
Good
All
tomato.
right, first thing we're going to do is take some olive oil. We're going to put about 1 cup of olive oil in this pot here. Heat that up. I like to use 1/4 cup of olive oil to each can of sauce. Go ahead and let that heat up. It should be hot. Now we're going to go ahead and add our onion first. Now, these are very simple ingredients, but it's all in the technique, timing. So what we want to do now is fry our onions first, just until they get translucent. We don't want to put the garlic in yet because the garlic cooks a lot quicker than the onion. And then I'm going to go ahead and just put the black pepper in right now. I like to put in about 1 teaspoon for the 4 cans that we're going to use of tomatoes. Bam. All right. I'm going to go ahead and let this get cooked, and then we'll be right back. All right. Check out the onions. The onions are cooking nicely. Now we're going to go ahead and add the garlic. Mince it up as fine as you can get it.
Smells so good already.
We're going to go ahead and add the fresh basil. Let that
Nice
cook up.
of basil.
Yeah, it's very nice. All right, we're going to let this cook up until it gets lightly golden brown. All right, we got Sean here. This is our editor. Yes. He's been editing our videos.
I do the behind the scenes.
Yes.
He's doing a great job. Thanks, buddy.
We'll be back. All right, while the onions and garlic are cooking, we're going to go ahead and blend up these plum tomato in our Ninja. Just want to blend them up for about 10 seconds. That's it. We'll put this in the bowl here and blend up the rest. All right, that's it. Oh man, smell these onions.
Can you smell it? I can.
All right, now you see how nice and golden brown the onions and garlic are right now? That's what you want. This is going to really give your sauce a lot of great flavor. Now we're going to go ahead and add these tomatoes. Without making a mess. There we go. Now we're going to go ahead and add a salt. It's about 4 teaspoons for this recipe. I typically use about 1 teaspoon per can. And then we're going to go ahead and add our Parmesan cheese, 4 tablespoons, 1 tablespoon per can. Let this cook up on medium heat, and then while this is cooking, Chef Dom's going to whip up the meatballs.
Thanks.
And then once this comes to a simmer, we're going to go ahead and add our meatballs right in this sauce and cook it right in the pot. All right, we'll be back.
Comes out so good. We're gonna make our meatballs now. We've got a pound of ground beef right there. We've got a pound of pork also we're gonna put in there. Okay. We have this recipe on our channel already. A couple of eggs. Some fresh garlic. What'd you say? How many cloves? How many small
That's
cloves?
4 cloves.
4 cloves?
It's pressed. You want to press the garlic. You don't want to chop it.
You got some parsley in there. About a half a cup. And some Parmesan cheese.
That's about a half a cup there, right?
Yeah. And we got
2 cups.
A couple of cups of breadcrumbs. Put that all in there. And we got some chicken stock here we're gonna add to this. Paul said some old-timer Italian guy told him how to do this with the chicken stock. So we'll give it a try.
Yeah, for sure.
You can use milk, water,
yeah,
whatever. All right, that's it. Are we missing anything?
That's
no.
it.
How about salt and pepper?
Oh, we need some salt and pepper in there.
A couple of pounds of meat, that should be good. All right, now we're gonna mix this up.
You gotta get in there, down and dirty. All right.
And you're not gonna believe how much these are gonna swell up once you cook them in the sauce.
I know.
Somebody just requested a couple of days ago, you know, they wanted to see us do meatballs that we cook directly in the sauce. So that's what we're doing today.
Yeah, it's gonna give you
simple spaghetti and meatballs today. An old Italian American special.
Absolutely. Yeah, okay.
I think it needs a little more stock, a little more liquid. And our breadcrumb soaked up a lot of let's start rolling our meatballs here.
Roll them up.
And no, I don't know how many ounces these are. If I was home, they'd be twice that size.
That's the perfect size right there. That's like about a 4-ounce ball right
Yeah.
there. Yeah. All right, we'll be back.
That's some spicier meatballs. They don't take real long to cook in the sauce at all.
Nah, about 30 minutes. Perfect. All right. As soon as that sauce comes to a simmer, we're gonna go ahead and put the meatballs in.
I think we can put our meatballs in now.
Oh yeah, sauce is boiling really nice.
Trust me, they start cooking as soon as they hit the water. I mean the sauce.
Oh yeah. Now we're gonna let these cook for about 30 minutes in the sauce.
Yeah.
Now we're not gonna cover it now though.
Shouldn't take long.
Yeah, we're not gonna cover it, just let it cook.
We're gonna let those get hard before I turn them.
All right.
Give it a couple of minutes.
Sounds good.
And then we can stir them up a little bit, real easy. Oh, we got a new wooden spoon here.
Yeah.
Our mom would have loved this one. She used to beat the hell out of us with them and break them. Okay, we're gonna turn the meatballs. See how they swelled up already? You gotta turn them nice and gentle. You gotta be like me, gentle.
gentle Ben over here. Here's the pot. It's called a sweet pot. This here is a 8-quart pot, but you can get this stock pot also in a 12-quart. It's a 1810 food grade, and it also has an aluminum core and a magnetic stainless steel. The heat is distributed very evenly because of the thickness of this whole pot.
And the plate on the bottom.
Yeah, and the plate is a little thicker, and it really comes in handy when you're making sauces because it prevents it from burning your sauce. It's got the copper handles on it. It's very comfortable. The grip stays nice and cool so you don't burn your hands. This pot is also very versatile. It can be cooked on, of course, this electric oven. It can be cooked on a gas oven. And it comes with this shatter-proof lid, which is very handy. It's got the little hole in there so the steam can escape. We'll have the link to purchase this pot. It's only $69. We'll have it in the description of our video later on.
Oh man,
looks good.
I say about another good 15, 20 minutes. We're ready.
Beautiful.
Get the pot up of water. I'm hungry.
All right, let's get the spaghetti water going here. Add some salt. Don't be afraid to put salt in your water. You got to get that spaghetti, get it some flavor. All right, water's boiling. Meatballs are about ready. The sauce. We got some good pasta going.
Di Cecco.
The Cecco, I love the Cecco. A little more money than your average pasta, but man, it's so worth it. That's a free plug.
Life is too short to buy cheap ass pasta. That domestic crap.
Oh, yeah. All right, we'll be back. Cook these al dente.
All right, these are ready. Look at this big pot of meatballs.
That's beautiful. All right.
These are ready. We're gonna turn them off and
Turn it off and cover it up. All right,
All right.
spaghetti's ready.
spaghetti's ready. All right, we're gonna dump our spaghetti back in the pot. I'm just gonna put some sauce in here first, mix it up.
Nice. Spaghetti ready.
All right, give me that big bowl.
All right, let's plate this spaghetti. Oh man, look at that. Oh, it's beautiful.
That's a lot of spaghetti.
We'll leave
I
some of
used
it
to
in the
eat.
pot.
I used to eat one of those myself, man. Not anymore.
That all right?
Easy, man.
Oh yeah. Some sauce on here. Oh. There we go. Let's eat. All right, let's test out the spaghetti and the meatballs.
Yeah, give me a bowl.
Oh man, look at that. That's. I just want to taste right now.
Get lost. That's all you're getting. Get out of here.
I want a meatball.
For you.
Comedian.
Mama's meatballs.
First, we'll test out the spaghetti.
Spaghetti.
Oh man, look at that. Man, those meatballs cooked in the sauce really
Gave it flavor,
gives it a great flavor.
And once again, you can purchase this sweet cookware through a link located in the description below. We really, really did love the way it cooked the sauce, and we give it 5 stars.
So the inside of that meatball perfectly cooked. Let's taste it. Wow. Excellent way to cook the meatballs. We typically fry them or bake them, but this is really good, a good method as well. Anyway, we appreciate the subscribers. Thank you very much, and hope you had a great Christmas and a great holiday, and we'll see you guys next time.